In this video, I'll be adding an automatic door closer to the door between my attached garage and the rest of my house. This is one of the deficient items highlighted by the home inspector when we bought our house. The latest building codes require these so that car exhaust or fire do not spread to the rest of the house. I thought that after having the door closer sit on my garage shelf for 4 years, it might finally be time to install it. The instructions on these, especially on import models, are never easy to understand. I find it very helpful to study them and highlight the information pertinent to installation of your model. Heck, I read the instructions a few times and still messed up a couple things, which I'll address as they happen. I'll start by laying down some masking tape to mark for the drill holes of the door closer body. This allows you to make a mistake on your marking without doing it on the door itself, giving you more than one shot at getting it right before you drill. The first issue with my install was that the model included in the box was mislabeled, so the measurements I highlighted weren't correct from the start. I realized this by measuring the size of the opener, which didn't match the model number in the instructions. So, I had to use the measurements for the other model in the instructions, which fit correctly. After marking for the drill holes, I installed one screw, then used the drills in the closer body directly for the remaining 3 holes. Here's where I made my second mistake. The adjustment screws shown on the right side of the closer body are supposed to face the hinges per the instructions. I fixed this later, off camera. This little cap covers the non-used side of the closer. I follow the same process to mark the screw holes in the top of the door jamb. The instructions said to preload the closer, which means that you have to install the arm with a slight tension on it, which I'm doing here. Prior to fastening the arm to the jamb, the arm should be adjusted such that it is perpendicular to the door frame. I'm angling the screws upwards so that they bite into the door header. There's a bolt included in the kit that fastens the arm to the closer body, which keeps the arm from popping off in use. The arm setting bolt should be tightened down. There are a couple of adjustment screws on the side of the closer. One of them adjusts the door speed during the closing stage, and the other adjusts the speed during the latching stage. Adjust these such that the door closes slowly enough that it doesn't slam on you, but fast enough that the door properly latches. That's all for this one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time.